Good morning, children. Welcome back to class 7th. Today we are going to start our chapter Reflection and Rotational. It's too easy. First of all, what you must know about what is reflection symmetry. Then we will discuss about rotational. First of all, you must know about reflection symmetry. If you can fold a figure in half so that the two halves exactly match, the figure is said to be symmetrical. Okay. If you can fold a figure in half, okay, and both the divided two parts are of matching are match each other, okay, this we call symmetrical figures. Like in this star you can see this line I have drawn with red color. You can see this is a line of symmetry. Okay, this is line of symmetry, or you can call it axis of symmetry. Okay, axis of symmetry, because when you will fold the two figures now, the two halves match each other. Okay, next is draw the lines of symmetry for the given figure. This is the figure, this is rectangle, you know very well. And what is the question? Line of symmetry you have to draw. When you will divide like this, like I am dividing now, see, with yellow color, like this. Okay, this is also this part is identical to this second part, this part, right? This is called line of symmetry. But other line of symmetry is this. You can see the upper part is identical to the lower part, so this is also called line of symmetry. Next is draw the letters of symmetry for the given figures. Okay, first letter A is given to you. See on the screen, letter A. Okay, you have to draw the symmetry of A. When you will divide vertically letter A, no, the two portions, right side and left side, will equally match. Yes or no? So this line is a line of symmetry. Letter A is having one. Draw the line of symmetry for the 0. 0 is having two lines of symmetry, vertically and horizontally, because when you will divide from vertically, you will get two equal halves, and you will divide when you will divide horizontally, then also you will get two equal parts. Now, what is rotational symmetry, students? Listen to me carefully. Rotational symmetry means from any point when you will rotate one object, okay, the position remains the same of the object. This is called rotational symmetry. Like this point P you are seeing now, this is called center of rotation. What we call it? Center of rotation. From center of rotation you have to rotate these points. This polygon is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, right? So these 6 sides we can call it hexagon. When you will rotate A to B, okay, the position will be like this. See, B will on top and A will be on at down, right? And the position is same only, no position is changed, so you can call it rotational symmetry. Many of the flowers also having rotational symmetry, you can see here, and this flower also. And these are the objects who's having rotational as well as reflection. Okay, so let's see this example, this picture. Parallelogram is having no line of symmetry, because students, when you will draw line, these two parts are not equal. So parallelogram is not having any line of symmetry. You have to remind this. Trapezoid is also not having any line of symmetry, because in trapezoid one line is too lengthy and other is too small. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is having one line of symmetry, just because students, its two sides are equal. This side is equal to this, so it's having one line of symmetry. And isosceles trapezoid must be when two sides are equal, no, right? Then it must be having one line of symmetry. Rectangle, I told you, 2 lines of symmetry. Rhombus. Rhombus is also having 2 lines of symmetry. One is vertical and other is horizontal. Equilateral triangle is also having 3 lines of symmetry because all the 3 sides are equal. No? Okay, from any vertex you will draw the line that will be divide the triangle in 2 equal parts, right? So equilateral triangle is having 3 lines of symmetry. Square is having 4 lines of symmetry. When you will draw line vertically, horizontally, diagonals, also the lines. Clear all of you? So this was the introduction of the chapter, and now in next video I will give you the exercise. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.